In this video, we're going to learn how to add categories to your membership site. So I'm in Invanto and I'm going to access Member Factory. And I'm going to choose the membership site that I want to add my categories to, and I'm going to choose Manage Site. I'm going to click the Content tab, and right up here we've got Add Category. So I'm going to choose that. Now let's talk a little bit about what a category is. A category is how you organize the content that you have in your membership site. So a category is kind of like a bucket. So you can provide an organized structure to your member. Let's go ahead and create a category name, and it automatically creates a site URL for me. And I can go in and change that URL if I want to, and I can write a description. This area right here allows me to do something called a drip feed. Let me explain to you what a drip feed is. When a member joins a membership site, sometimes all of the content may not be available to them right away. You may want to do something called drip feed, and that's where you choose to release your content in a timely manner. So if I click drip feed, I can actually choose when this content is going to drip into the membership site. I can drip it at 1 day, I can drip it at 2 days, I can even drip it all the way down to 365 days if I want to. So I can go all the way, I think the end is 720 days. So let's say that I want to drip it at 7 days. What this means is 7 days after this customer has signed up for this membership site, this content will be released to that subscriber. We want to make sure that we are really watching our drip days to make sure that content is dripping at the right rate. We also have a commence date field, and commence date allows you to choose a date where the membership site starts. So instead of starting on the date that the customer signs up, it can start on a predetermined date. For example, I'm going to look at a 2016 calendar, and let's say that we wanted our membership site to actually start on February the 1st. The category that we were just working on, we set it to drip 7 days. So if we start on February the 1st and the week 1 category doesn't drip for 7 days, then it would not drip till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it wouldn't drip into the membership site until February the 8th. If I set this commencement date to February the 1st, and I have a drip feed time of 7 days, that means this will not drip into the membership site until February the 8th. So that kind of gives you an idea of how drip feed works. Now you can also upload a category image. So I'm going to upload an image real quick. I can load it from my local machine. So here's the picture that I uploaded, and I'm going to choose that as my category image. And now I can choose which membership plan can access this category. I have 3 different plans. I have a bronze plan, a silver plan, and a gold plan. So I'm going to choose all of them. And then I'm going to enable this category. And once I've set everything the way I want it, I'm going to click Save. Now we have a category in there. And let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like in the website. If I go to Preview, what I get is something that looks like this. Here's our welcome page, and here's our week 1 category, which is week 1 content. And if I click on that, there's no pages in there and no content in there yet. All I have is the category. So I have to create some more categories, and then I'll input the content. And that's how you add categories to Member Factory, which is a part of the Invanto suite of apps.